we will begin question number 2, where we have to find HCF by long division method. We already have discussed prime factorization method, in which we have to find the prime factors and then the common factors. Now we will solve how to find HCF with long division. 2a, pay attention here. 32 and 68 is given, na? For long division, first of all, you will have to make the column of divide like this. Then first number, that is 32, you will write here, and 68 you will write here. Then what you have to do is, you will divide 68 by 32. How to divide 68 by 32? You will check in rough that in 32 into 2 what it is. 64. It is smaller than 68, na? So 2 times we will write here 64. 4 will remain. Then here cut. What's the next point is, na? The divisor which is given here, that divisor will be your dividend in this place. Keep in mind like this. Okay, na? Now what you have to do is, keeping this remainder of this number which is 4, you will divide this divisor. Okay, in the table of 4, 32 will come how many times? 4 8 times 32 will come, na? Now it will completely be over. No remainder is here, right? So when no remainder is there, that time your long division HCF is solved. What is your HCF? The divisor which you get here. This is your divisor, na? That last divisor, always keep in mind, the last divisor is the HCF. So HCF here is 4. Is the question clear? We will discuss 2b also, then you will understand. See, the question is 56 and 78. Pay attention carefully. First of all, we will write here 56, then we'll write here 78. Now you have to divide the two numbers. So you check 56 into 2, 2 6 are 12, you will get here 112. 112 we cannot write here. Now, so 56 1 times we will write here 56. Okay, then we will subtract. 8 minus 6 is 2, 7 minus 5 again 2. When we are having the remainder, then the divisor which is given here, that divisor will become your dividend here. Always keep in mind, the divisor which is given will become the dividend in the next place. Okay. Then 22 you will divide with 56. 22 2s are 44. Okay. 6 minus 4 will be 2. And 5 minus 4 will be 1. Again we have the remainder. When we have the remainder, then again we will make here the column, and this divisor, okay, just the previous divisor will become your dividend here. In the table of 12, 1 times it will be 12. Again you will see here 2 2 0 and 1. Again you are getting the remainder. When we are getting the remainder, again we will make the column, and the previous divisor we will make the dividend here. Just you keep in mind, always the previous divisor will be the next dividend. In the table of 10, 12 will come. No, 10 1 times 10 will come. 2 will remain here. You can see 2 again is remaining here. Now this 2, see, I don't have space. You could have done here itself in your copies, right? So this 2 cannot, this 2 is the remainder here, na? Then what you have to do is, the previous divisor you will write here. Okay. Now how, here only you will continue, but I'll solve here. 2 is your divisor, right? And then the previous divisor, that is 10, will come here. Now 2 5s are 10. Anything still remainder is there? No, no. When we don't have the remainder, that time we will leave it as it is. We have completed our long division HCF. Now what is the answer exactly? Keep in mind the last divisor. You are getting here na 56, 22, 12, 10, 2, again 2. Always keep in mind the last divisor is your HCF. Just keep in mind this thing. HCF equal to 2. Why 2 you understood? Because this 2 we are getting in the last divisor. Like this we solve the long division HCF. I hope it is clear to you.